Hello everyone, I'm Shubha Monika. Today I'll be starting our group presentation. Our topic is Generative AI for Anti-Corruption in Bangladesh. As a team, we decided to focus on a government agency that almost every citizen has to deal with, the Bangladesh Road Transport Authority or BRTA. If you or anyone in your family has been tried to get a driving license or register a car, you know the main problem. The system relies heavily on manual work and human decision. Whenever a human worker has the power to simply say yes or no to your application, it creates a gatekeeper, and unfortunately, a gatekeeper often asks for bribes. People are forced to hire middlemen known as dalals just to get basic service. We have designed 5 specific way to fix this using generative AI. Let's look at our first process, the practical driving license test. Please look at the before diagram. Right now, a a human examiner sit in the car or watch your drive. They can easily fail, or good driver just force them to pay a bribe, or they can pass a terrible driver to pay them money. The result is completely based on their personal choice. Now look at our after diagram. We remove the human examiner completely. Instead, the citizen drives on the test tracker equipped with cameras. A generative AI system use computer vision to watch the car. It checks if you stopped at the red light using the indicator and the parked correctly. Then the AI automatically prints a pass or fail report along with the time-stamped video to prove it. The human official cannot change this result. The bribery stop because at the AI makes the final unbreakable decision. Thank you.
Thank you, Subha. Hello, everyone. I'm Mariam Haq Samia. I will be presenting our second process, vehicle fitness certification. This is a very serious issue because unsafe vehicles cause terrible accidents on our roads. In the traditional manual process shown on the top diagram, a vehicle owner brings their car or bus to a BRTA inspector. The inspector walks around and looks at it. Very often, this is just a game. The inspector might pretend to find fake problems just to scare the owner into paying a bribe, or worse, the owner pays a bribe and inspector just gives a fitness certificate to a broken dangerous bus. Our generative AI after diagram shows a much safer and cleaner way. We move the first step to the internet. The citizen uses the BRTA app to upload specific standard videos and photos of their vehicle's engine and body. The AI immediately scans these pictures. Generative AI is very smart at spotting anomalies, which means it can tell if a photo is fake or if the engine looks damaged. If the media passes the scan, the AI gives the citizen a digital pre-check certificate. This completely takes away the inspector's power to make up fake faults. By the time the car arrives at the center for a final matching test, the AI has already verified it. A human cannot ask for a bribe because the AI has already approved the visual check. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I'm Synthia and I will talk about our third process, which is about document submission and fee payment. Imagine standing in a long line for an hour under the hot sun. When you finally reach the desk, the clerk looks a looks at your paper form and says you are missing a document and your file is rejected. This is a common trick because the rule is confusing. Citizens don't know what to do, and this is when the broker or a dalal step in and asks for a expedite expedite fee to magical fix the problem. Our Gen AI solution fixes this completely. As you can see in the first diagram, we replace the front desk clerk with the interactive AI Bengali voice bot. When a citizen wants to submit a file, then upload it to the AI. The AI checks the document instantly. If a paper is missing, the AI explains exactly what it is needed in simple Bengali. No one can trick the citizen anymore. Once the file is complete, the AI locks it and generates an exact legal bill. The citizen pays online, as you can see on slide 6. This has a massive um, financial benefit. It stops revenue leakage. Every single taka goes directly into the government treasury instead of going into the pocket of corrupt official and brokers. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I'm Zannatul Ferdaus. Now I will explain about the vehicle registration and checking a car's history. Today, this process depends on old paper records. It is slow, inefficient, and easy to manipulate. A corrupt official can simply ignore fake documents and approve the sale of a stolen car. This puts innocent buyer at risk. But in our generative AI system, everything becomes digital and intelligent. The AI scans thousands of records within a second. It cross-checks ownership history, theft report, and registration data automatically. If someone tries to register a stolen vehicle or submit fake documents, the AI instantly detects the fraud and blocks the transfer. No delays, no manipulation, just a fast, secure, and transparent process. Thank you.
Thank you, Jannat. Hello, this is Shafkat Shafin. I will discuss our fifth and final process, which is commercial route permits. Right now, the BRTA uses committees to decide which transport companies get permission to run buses or trucks on specific roads. Because this happens behind closed doors, the decision is highly corrupt. Permits are given based on nepotism, meaning giving favors to friends or based on who pays the biggest bribe. This is why some roads are dangerously crowded with competing buses, while other roads have no transport at all. Our Gen AI solution removes the human committee entirely. In the after diagram on slide 8, transport owners submit a digital request. The AI analyzes real-world data. It looks at traffic density, accident history, and road safety. The AI has strict rules. If a route is already too crowded, the AI automatically denies the permit. If the route is safe, the AI grants it. The decision is based on 100% on data, not on bribes. To conclude, the core problem at the BRTA is human gatekeepers. By integrating generative AI, we bring three major advantages. First, standardization, where rules apply to everyone equally. Second, interactive transparency, where AI chatbots tell citizens the exact truth about fees. And third, anomaly detection, where AI catches fraud instantly. By replacing manual human choices with AI data, we can build a BRTA that is fast, fair, and completely free from corruption. Thank you so much for listening to our presentation.